Hello everyone, my name is Kate and I'm a graphic designer and illustrator. In today's video, I'm gonna paint watercolor dinosaurs. I'm going to use Genuine Crafts watercolor palette. And 6-point paintbrush. This is the main palette, so I'm going to add a few colors based on this color palette. First, I'm going to paint the background of dinosaurs. Using the light green, paint the background. This artwork can be used kids' room prints, baby shower invitation, kids' product patterns, and many more. This graphic will be available in my shop, so if you are interested in, please see the link below. I use Archie's watercolor paper this time. I highly recommend Archie's paper because overall it's the best quality paper. These dinosaurs reminds me of the movie Jurassic Park. As you know, from the 80s and 90s, probably may know about the Jurassic Park. This movie has a lot of memories for me. I remember the T-Rex scene, and it was amazing suspense, also very scary. watching and I hope you enjoyed the painting. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again.